What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're gonna talk about Ahimsa. Ahimsa, what it is, the definition, its meaning and its benefits. Ahimsa is one of the most important principles of yoga. It is one of the 8 limbs of yoga and has many benefits for your health, your happiness, your well-being overall, and also your spiritual journey. So that's why I'm trying to clarify it to you today, what it is and why you should incorporate it in your day-to-day life. Before we move on to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click the button down below and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a video. We talk about yoga and healthy living every day on the channel, so make sure you come back. What is Ahimsa exactly? Well, Ahimsa is one of the most, or arguably the most important principle of yoga. It is one of the ethical, moral and spiritual guidelines of any serious yoga practice. It helps you towards your path to spiritual enlightenment. If you are looking to get more into spiritual aspect of yoga and not just only the physical aspect or the mental aspect of yoga, then Ahimsa might be the first step. It is the right way to enter into your path of spiritual enlightenment if you are looking to get into this. Ahimsa means non-violence, non-harming, compassion and harmlessness. It means that you try with your daily actions to stay at peace, with harmony, with yourself and others, with all beings on this planet. Physically, but also mentally, spiritually and emotionally as well. It might be difficult to grasp what it is exactly, but basically you try to stay non-violent, non-harmful and do everything that you can to take care of yourself, to provide unconditional love for your personal being but also for all other beings that surround you, including nature and animals and other people as well. Ahimsa might be difficult to practice, especially if you're completely new to the spiritual aspect of yoga, but it is one of the most important to master. Why? Because it has amazing benefits for your lifestyle, for yourself, but also for all other beings around you. It is the first step to live a fulfilling, purposeful, peaceful and happy life. Ahimsa allows you to get rid of negative emotions, negative thoughts, and attain mental clarity, spiritual enlightenment, inner peace, and also restore peace, balance and harmony into your life. So that's why I recommend everybody to try to incorporate Ahimsa into their day-to-day busy schedules. Ahimsa is one of the most important ethical, moral and spiritual guidelines of yoga for good reasons, because it allows us to live in peace in society but also to live at peace with yourself. It's great to release stress, anxiety, resentment, worries, lot of negative feelings, lot of negative thoughts and emotions that are only harmful for your own happiness but also for your relationships and for your interactions with others. So to practice Ahimsa, you have to basically increase your self-awareness, your mindfulness, being aware of your body, your breath, but also your thoughts and emotions. And this takes time to master. You have to be patient, staying committed, and practice it often and regularly as much as you can. So if you stick with it, if you try to be aware of your own thoughts and emotions, the negative one, and try to push them away, to clear them, emptying your mind, finding inner peace and mental clarity on a regular basis. You can practice this with yoga and meditation, breathing exercises and relaxation as well. And this will help you toward your path to progress mentally, emotionally and spiritually as well. So I hope these tips were helpful to you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below if you have any question on this topic. I would love to hear your thoughts on this, and I will see you in the next video.